What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the Mustang in the Axle garage. We're going to be working on it today. I'm going to go ahead and start taking off both fenders on both sides, and we're probably, I'm not 100% sure if we're going to take the bumper off, but we're going to go ahead and clean this up, make it a little bit better. Also, because I got this car about a week ago, there's still a whole bunch of the owner's crap that was in here when I picked it up from a company that I purchased it from. So we're going to go ahead and clean that out. It's pretty much garbage. I want to go ahead and clean this Mustang out, make it a little bit better. Oh, look at this. I just realized the camera microphone, external mic, was not on. How's that? Can you guys hear me a little bit better? Yeah? Awesome. So I actually ended up having to resituate the camera because it was a little wonky. You couldn't see all of the car. But like I was saying, I ended up ordering 2 fenders in the mail. They should be coming soon, so that way we can go ahead and replace them, paint them. You know, I'm really wondering if I should be, you know, driving this car back and forth with or without it. So that way I'm thinking if I take them off today with you guys, then I don't have to worry about taking them off when they come in. But then again, I risk the water and snow getting into the engine and potentially rusting something, which it's a yes or no kind of thing. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So one thing I've noticed on these Mustangs, they don't have the original clips like other cars. Like, for example, if you guys have seen these clips right here, and notice, first of all, there's only 2 of these clips. Normally on the bottom panels of these pieces, there are several bunch of these. These ones, you see how these are sticking out right here? On the actual other cars, they actually just have this little pull tag where you pop it up and you just pull it down. This one doesn't have it, so I'm just wondering if I pull this down up to this much right here, if it just loosens it and I'm able to remove it completely, or I gotta pull it off, but we'll pretty much figure it out in a second. So I was able to pull out all of these clips right here that was underneath the side skirt, and I just totally threw it on a wall. And now, it's actually pretty loose. We're gonna go ahead and see. We can open the door on up and pull it right on off. When you're doing stuff, get the right tools that way you don't damage anything. I'm okay with it because I'm gonna get new clips anyways, but not a big deal. Like that, we gotta go ahead and stick these rocker panels in the trunk and through the back of the seat. That way we don't eventually lose them, which I don't see how the hell I'm gonna lose something so big like this. But hey, you never know. You should always keep precautions. Definitely make sure to save all of these clips just in case. You never know when you're gonna need one as a backup or something like that. And I totally threw one all the way underneath the car. But hell, we're gonna go ahead and use a 10mm socket and start removing our panels. When I'm taking off fenders of a vehicle, I normally like leaving at least 1 bolt on the top. That way, once I'm done taking the bolts off of the sides right here and on the side by the actual door, the fender's not gonna fall on me or hit me. And I also like to remove the bumper right before I take off the last bolt right there. That way everything's hanging on and nothing comes off right here and ends up smashing the bumper and breaking it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to salvage this bumper down here because it does have a crack. But I'm sure we could figure something out. We're gonna go ahead and see what we can do with it. Yeah, let's keep going. So I noticed when I actually tried to get the socket inside of this fender right here, it actually is not going to fit because when it got smashed in here, it pushed the fender over here. So the good thing is, now that I got a new hammer, thank you to the last owner of this that left it in here, I can go ahead and hit it right here. Nobody likes doing this to a car, but hell, it's messed up anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a couple of hits.
5 hours later.
Sorry about the shaking. Just like that, you've got your freed bolt. Oh shoot, but it looks like I hit the bolt and it looks like I damaged it. We're gonna have to replace that anyways. Never mind, bolt's totally fine. It spins and it looks like it's gonna come right on out. Yep, looks like we won't have to replace this anyways.
One eternity later.
Oh, I'm so tired of doing this. It's taking me forever, guys. I swear. Alright, last bolt. I'm pretty sure it should fall off now. This should come right on off with the old, and I can't say in with the new one because I don't have the new panel. This is the nice thing about it. Look at this. The only frame damage is right here. It doesn't look like there's any issues. But then again, I could be completely wrong because we don't have the new fender in and we don't know how it's going to line up. I'm hoping this is going to be completely straight and completely fine. We'll have to see over time. I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys this side just because it's going to be more work for me, and I'm pretty sure you guys aren't going to watch it when I just told you guys how to do it. So we did make a good amount of progress on the Mustang today. We ended up taking off all of the side skirts, fenders, front fenders, because they were messed up. As you can see here, I do have a little bit of framing damage I got to fix. Earlier I did say that I wasn't going to need to do any frame damage, but as I can see here, it's been bented in. We just got to pull that out. It'll be pretty simple. Also, we went ahead and we removed these fenders, this fender on this side right here, and also the side skirt right there. As you can see on this piece, it looks completely different, looks totally straight. Only thing is in here, I'm going to have to straighten out a little bit, and then just like that side. Other than that, honestly, that's about all I can do today. I ended up putting these strings right here. That way, when I end up going home, it's not going to fly off or the bumper's going to be here, because I do actually need headlights when you drive. Obviously, no brainer. We ended up sticking all the panels. Instead of throwing them away, I'm going to hang on to them just in case. I threw them in the trunk. Surprisingly, it actually fits, knowing that it is a little bit of a small trunk space. So I know that's not much, but that is somewhat of a vlog, and hopefully we'll get the new fenders so we can slap them on and we can be ready with that. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I do appreciate you guys supporting me. If you guys liked it, make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell so you guys can keep up to date as to when we make new content. I hope to try to make it every single day, but I do work and I do go to school, so if I don't, I do apologize. But heck, thank you guys so much. Never forget, work hard, kick ass, never ever stop trying. Thanks guys. Peace out.